In this video, we are going to discuss about how to configure the payment acquires in website e-commerce. So as we know that a business is ultimately depend on its income generation or investment return. Every business collects money from their customer in return for the product or services that they offer. So in Odoo, the transactions are made easier and quicker via payment acquires. So which will enable or which will redirect your customer to the payment platform to collect money effortless and track the payment status. So now let's look how it works in case of website and e-commerce. For that, go to your website module, and under configuration you would able to see the payment acquires menu under the e-commerce. So click on this. So here you can see the already created some payment acquires. Now let's create a new payment acquire, and here you can provide the name for your payment acquire. Suppose I'm providing the name as test payment, and here you can see the different state, whether to keep this as disabled, enabled or test mode. So for meanwhile I'm providing this as enable, and here you can mention the company, and here you can mention the website in which you wanted to display this payment acquires. And if you want to provide kind of image for this payment acquires, you can provide from here. And when you come down here, you can see two different tabs, that is configuration as well as messages. Under configuration you can see different sections, that is payment form, availability and payment follow-up. Under payment form, here you have an option called as displayed as. So this shows how to display this acquired to our customer. So here you can, suppose if I am providing, I want to display it as COD to my customer, so I can use this. And here you can provide the supported payment icons if you have, and if you use SEPA or QR code, you can enable this. Here you have an option called as communication, so you can set here the communication type that will appear on the sale order. That is, the customer will be, that is, the communication will be given to the customer when they choose the payment method. And when you come here, you can see the payment follow-up. Under payment follow-up, a payment journal. So here you can select any one of the journal. So here basically in the all the transactions would be posted over this journal. And here under availability you have an option for countries. So these gateways or these payment gateways would be available for the selected countries here. And if you keep this as null, then this payment acquires will be available for all the countries. So now you can save this. Now when you come and see at payment acquires, you can see the payment acquires that you have created, that is test payment in the enabled state. Now let's see how it is being used in our website. For that, you can go to your website. Here you can go to shop. So suppose if I am purchasing a product called as acoustic block screen, select that. Here you can add the quantities. So meanwhile I am purchasing only one quantity, adding this to a cart. So this one is the already one that is being added to cart. So meanwhile I am deleting this. And now we have the option to either continue shopping or to process checkout. So for right now I am processing this to checkout. So it will take you to the next page, that is pay with. So here you have certain payment acquires that you have already created. So here you can see the payment acquire that we have created, and here you can see the COD because we have given this name for the displayed option in our payment acquires. So we can choose this and we can then click on pay now. So when you click on this, the further procedures are done. So then it will lead to the next page, that is your payment has been successfully proceeded, but it is waiting for the approval. So this is how the payment acquires works in case of our website e-commerce.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.